Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I wanna read some article by Geoffrey Smith. Snapchat puts a chill on the relief, really putting Twitter. Result in sharp focus. Stocks are due to often lower but are still on course for their highest weekly close since early June. Verizon, Amex, and Schlumberger all report earnings. Recession fears in Europe grow after some weak business surveys, and there a ray of hope for poor food importing countries as Russia and Ukraine edge closer to a deal on securing grain export out of the Black Sea, pushing wheat prices lower. Here's what you need to know in financial markets on Friday, July 22. 1. Snapchat puts a chill on the relief rally in U.S. stock ran into resistance overnight after Snapchat owner Snap posted its slowest ever growth in sales as a public company, causing its stock to fall by nearly 30% in pre-market trading. The company also posted a loss of $422 million for the quarter and said it would substantially cut its hiring in an echo of similar reports about bigger technology companies throughout the week. However, Snapchat has consistently had bigger problem with posting a profit than other social media companies, and its broader implication may not be too great. Twitter result later this morning may show how far Snapchat problems are shared by the rest of the sector. The report revived the fears of a looming recession in the U.S., pushing the 10-year benchmark Treasury yield down to a 2-week low of 2.82%. 2. Europe recession fears rise after weak PMIs. Recession fears were front and center again in Europe overnight after the Eurozone Composite Purchasing Manager Index slipped back into contraction territory for the first time since March 2021. That follows a bigger than expected first interest rate hike from the European Central Bank on Thursday, which was accompanied by some gloomy talk by President Christian Lagarde on the economy outlook. Eurozone bond yields fell on perception that the turmoil in Italy, where President Sergio Mattarella has called for new election in September, won't stop the ECB's new backstop to foreign bond markets from working roguelike as designated in the UK. Meanwhile, the composite PMI stayed in growth territory but fell to a 17-month low, while weak consumer confidence and pondering retail sales pushed the pound lower. 3. Stock set to open lower but on course for best week since June. U.S. stock markets are set to open slightly lower later but are still on course for their best week in 5 and their highest close since early June. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.